Hey guys, to receive LTC on Kraken, open the Kraken Wallet app or website and search for Litecoin. And once you find the Litecoin, just hit deposit at the bottom left and then hit I understand. And an address will be generated. Just copy that address to receive Litecoin. So go to your favorite exchange or wallet and hit LTC or Litecoin. Make sure to hit send and select the second option, on-chain withdrawal, basically. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and paste the address. Make sure you're familiar with the network. Okay, and enter the amount, all right? And once you enter the amount, which should be above the minimum, hit withdraw. They're gonna send you email address to verify that this is you who's making that transaction. Eventually, you're gonna receive the Litecoin on Kraken wallet in a matter of minutes. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.